Hi, Ethan. Hi, tiny little Ethan. How are you? Would you like to play marbles?
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Great! You need to push the marbles out of the circle, starting with the smallest first. Can you show us, Ethan?
Phew!
Great shot! Now it's your turn, tiny little Ethan. Hit the smallest marble first. Great job! Your turn, Ethan. Hit the smallest marble out of the circle.
Oh!
Nice shot, Ethan.
Yoo-hoo!
Hit the medium-sized marble, tiny little Ethan.
Yoo-hoo!
Good job, tiny little Ethan. You got a marble out of the circle. Your turn, Ethan. Hit the medium-sized marble.
Phew!
Well done! Hit the largest marble out of the circle, tiny little Ethan. That's okay. You just need to hit it a little harder. You try, Ethan. Great job! Well done, tiny little Ethan. Playing marbles was a lot of fun.
Yoo-hoo!
See you soon, my friends. Hi, Ethan. How are you today? Do you want to build a house of cards on your own and learn numbers with us?
Yahoo!
Great! Let's get started with the first floor then. Very good, Ethan. You've just made the first floor of your house of cards. Now let's make the second floor.
Oh! Ah! Phew!
Perfect, Ethan. You only have one floor left. This looks so nice. Shall we count the number of floors together?
Yoo-hoo!
1, 2, 3. 3 floors. But how
Ah.
many cards are there,
You,
Ethan?
you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ah.
My God, you learned so many numbers today, Ethan. Oh, Ethan, you've destroyed your house of cards.
Yoo-hoo.
You're right, it was very funny. See you soon, Ethan. Hi, guys.
Minoma. Noni nama.
What are you up to today?
Mo mino man.
Oh, so Father's Day is coming up and you don't know what to give your father? What about a new
Oh.
bumper?
Api, no mommy.
He got one for Christmas, did he? But a new windshield, maybe?
Minuna mimi.
Oh, that was his birthday gift. Come on, guys, we need to think of something.
Oh,
Ah.
Ethan? I wonder what he is up to.
huh?
Did you get some ties? But don't you think that's a bit too usual?
Nino na nani.
You're right, Ethan. What dad wouldn't want a new tie on Father's Day? Which one will you give him? Oh, don't worry. Let's have a look at them and see which one you want to give away. Wow, these are really cool ties. By the way, do you know the patterns and colors of them?
Oh,
Oh.
Okay, let's learn it then. We will start with this one. Oh, you know the color of the pattern?
Maribara.
That's right, Ethan. The pattern is red. And what about the pattern itself then?
mommy, mom.
You are right, little Ethan. This tie has dots. The pattern is called polka dot. What about this one then?
Manino, mama.
That's right, little Ethan. The pattern has the same color as the sky on a clear morning. And what is that color called?
Non,
Blue! That's right! And what about the pattern then?
Mana ma.
You are right! There are stripes all over the tie, so the pattern is called striped. Now to the last one.
No me mima.
Well noted, Ethan. The pattern has the same color as your wheels, and they are black. Let's see if little Ethan can figure out the pattern.
no me mama.
That's right, little Ethan. It does look like a board for checkers. So the pattern is called checked.
Ah.
Let's repeat the colors and patterns again. Ethan, do you remember the first tie?
Maribara.
You are right. It has red polka dots. What about the second one, little Ethan?
Manino, mama.
That's right as well. The second one was striped in blue. And finally, the third one?
No me mima.
You are good at this, guys. It's checked and it's black. But which of them do you want to give to your dad?
Maribara baba.
Maribara.
Good choice, guys. The polka dot one is really nice. Are you going to keep the others?
Ah.
Wow! You really look fancy now. Are you off to deliver the Father's Day gift? That's really nice of you.
Yoo-hoo!
Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, everybody. Happy Father's Day. Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Yahoo!
Would you like to learn numbers and play with a pyramid today? Great! Then let's start by collecting the pieces of our pyramid.
Ha.
Oh,
1,
aha.
oh, huh.
2,
Phew!
Ha. Ah.
3,
Oh.
Phew!
Ah.
4,
Oh.
Phew!
5,
Oh.
6. Well done, Ethan! You collected all pieces of the pyramid and learned many numbers today. Let's sum up and build the pyramid.
Phew! Yoo-hoo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See you soon, my friends.